brighter when the roof is open. Is this one of the other games now?
It is officially another game.
So there's a record for when the roof is open, there's a record for when the roof is closed, and there's a record for when the roof opens after the game's already started. And that is a fair ball. There's one. Throw to second, and there's no play.
What's up, Stella? You see the cat?
Called a fair ball by the first base
See the kitten?
Wiggins didn't know if it was fair or foul, and there was no call made at second base.
Yeah, I was really surprised. What Wiggins' back really is to this play. The home plate umpire is in error. Watch over bad first, right down on the line. It's signaled fair by the first base umpire. It's scramble for second.
That's a break for the Orioles.
It is.
Because if Overbay had realized what had happened and had made the throw, they would have had Wiggins in easily.
Just touch the bag and throw to Denver.
So instead, the Orioles get a runner in scoring position with 2 down for Jake Fox. Fox doing the catching, first ball hitting, first base Overbay. Room. And Brad Mills flies through the first base. No runs, no hits, no errors, and 1 left on base.
Looking for a complete picture of your money? Meet PNC Virtual Wallet. It comes with a money bar that shows what's scheduled to go out, what you put aside, and how much you really
Oh, puppy.
to spend on the things you want. Simple slide.
Good girl.
It's built to help make your financial life a whole lot easier. Experience everything Virtual Wallet has to offer at PNC Virtual Wallet.
Oh, what you got there, fishy?
Unlike other vehicles in its class, the 7-passenger 300-horsepower MDX comes with Acura's patented super engine technology. In the available advanced package, the MDX also features an angle widescreen rear view camera.
All right, Stella. Oh, boy.